All right, y'all, we'll get into the video in just a second, but before we do, want to remind y'all that most of you are seeing this on Cyber Monday, and our Black Friday Cyber Monday sale is about to end. If you're gonna get some deals on all of our t-shirts and our hoodies and our hats, now's the time to get to htfmerch.com and do it. We got Jesse shirts on sale, we got Joseph shirts on sale, we got our series shirts and hoodies on sale. We got a Jesse hoodie on sale. We even got Jonathan shirts on sale. I bet these are going really cheap. What do you call this? The ladies? What? Crew neck ladies sweater. All different colors. Long sleeve t-shirts. Everybody wants a shirt with a pocket in it. I think it's one of the first times we've ever had a shirt with a pocket. Our gator bait shirts. We got them in orange and black, and they're on sale right now. htfmerch.com. And our brand new 3-car shirts. We got them in a hoodie and a t-shirt. Got them in black and gray. Even got them over here in navy blue. We got our logo t-shirts. We got long sleeve, short sleeve, and these are comfort colors for those of you that like to feel with a comfort color shirt. And we got these in a hoodie. Beanies. I think this is a lady's beanie. I know it's the one Shadow wears. Check out the beanies. Got those on sale as well with the original logo. And our hats. All of our hats are on sale. We're running out of some of them. We got camouflage. We got our leather patch hats. Our original logo hats. This is a big moment for Jesse. We had brand new pullback cars for all 3 of us come in last week. And guess who's is selling the most? We got pullback cars, the gator bait car, we got the 56, and we got the 10. And out of those, Jesse is the one selling the most right now. So shout out to everybody that's ordered a Jesse pullback car. You made his day. We have our car cutouts, one for each car. We got Joseph, Jesse, and Jonathan in that. And we have our mini doors. We got all kinds of plethora of options there. All the different doors we've run this year. The purple 10, the regular 10, Jesse's gator bait, Jesse's earlier this season door, and again the 56 there. We got stickers. We got mouse pads, and I believe they are half off right now. We've got a pile of stickers and magnets. I think some of these stickers you can get for $2 right now. We got koozies, 56, 10, and 1, and logo koozies. We got keychains. Get your keychains. All kinds of keychains. Most of you are seeing this video on Cyber Monday at midnight. The sale will end, so get over to the website htfmerch.com as quick as you can to get your order in. No code needed. Get your orders in. We're filling them as quick as we can. htfmerch.com for that. Now let's get into the video.
Special delivery.
Just in time for Thanksgiving.
Yep, brought it right over here on the Mayflower.
Or like May Pops.
Yeah.
All right, the 2.4 hour of LeMullets trophies are here. They made the 7.5 or 8 hour trip from Bradenton to Milton safely.
Got a headlight up.
Yeah, I hadn't figured out how to operate those. I think the battery is dead on it. Maybe the lights are on. Well, they had them strapped down good. 1, 2, 3. Surely there's some more on this side.
Yeah.
4, 5, 6, 7. How many straps per car did you have? Everyone he had. They weren't going anywhere.
How many straps it was going to take?
Yeah.
But I knew how many I was going to use.
Y'all have a good trip?
Oh yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
I had to get off road one time for a Mustang with no brake lights.
They got 350 Chevrolets in them.
Okay.
There's two different 350s.
That's her sister. There's her
One
sister.
of them makes 180 horsepower.
Oh,
The other
wow.
one is 210.
So what do we have?
I don't know.
How do we find
Either
out?
way, not much.
No.
Got headers and all on it.
Oh.
That one's all factory.
Oh.
Either way, there ain't much to them.
You couldn't stand it, could you?
Well, I had to just see, you know.
Uh-huh.
Make sure, you know.
Make sure they were real.
Wow, they're clean.
Yeah, they sharp.
Telling the details of how much horsepower these things have.
Yeah, well, they're light cars. They don't need a bunch of horsepower.
3,500 pounds.
Well, okay, never mind. All right, so we have sent Dirt Daddy and another fella, borrowed a gooseneck trailer, sent them to the Freedom Factory to go get these cars. We won these at the 2.4 hours of LeMullets. Then we had to hurry back here to Milton for Joseph to race in the Southern All-Stars. We won that, $5,000. So we had a really good weekend winning these by winning the 2.4 hours of LeMullets at the Freedom Factory and then winning at Southern. But now we had to go down there and get them and we got to get them off this trailer. We have had the grand idea of let's back this thing up to the lift gate and use that to unload them. Hold up there and we'll get it opened up. Heck, we ain't gonna know what to do. We got too many cars and not enough space to park them.
Yeah. It's okay, mine's going home.
Yeah, we don't have to find somewhere to put yours. I hear you. Ain't even figured out what to do with the Camaro yet.
Come down a little bit. I can't jump because I'll hit my head.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. Okay, go ahead. Don't you worry.
Hey, don't mind me. I was just signing all that stuff that's on sale on htfparts.com.
Hey, good, excellent point. Yeah, y'all do the heavy lifting. I'll work the remote.
That's good enough right there.
Up! Whoa, a little bit, whoa.
Up!
Whoa! Down.
Hold on.
Hold up. Come back. Tell him to come back a little bit.
Come back a little
Is he
bit.
watching you or me? He's watching me.
Doesn't like having two different people telling you what to do.
Alright.
Whoa!
Alright, let it down.
And three of them hollering at you. That
A
good?
little bit. Down. Down. Alright. Right there.
Right
How
there.
y'all like that?
Lock it down. Wasn't going nowhere.
Nowhere.
Milton.
I'm sure they gave it the old.
Oh, that ain't going nowhere. Said battery's dead.
Oh, come on, man.
Dead. Oh, no,
I had one
battery's dead.
shot.
You had one shot and you blew it.
shot and I blew it.
All right, we'll roll it.
He's weak with mom to get it.
Battery's bad.
Dang.
Come on. Yeah.
Our cat walked on it last night.
Oh,
Easy, hold
That's
on,
good.
hold on.
whoa, break,
Hold on.
break,
It'd be
break.
nice to get on back a little bit further.
All right, come on, let it ease back. Oh,
Come all the way far as we can.
I think you can't hang over none.
That's good.
All right, hold your brake.
There.
You can probably make that work.
Turn it, man.
Don't hit the gate.
Alright.
Hold up.
Come on.
Could have got the four-wheeler and pushed it.
Don't hit it.
Turn it.
Don't hit nothing.
Whoa, Dust Commander.
Good. Come on down.
Crank right up. He's got it easy. His cranks. Ain't all he's got to do is drive straight up. Give her a little gas, Joey.
That's good. Come on.
You're good. You got it this way. Well, that went well.
I tell you what, they don't make windows as fast as what they used to. Watch this.
Oh, golly, it jumps up there. I like it.
Watch it go down. Watch this. Whoa!
Yeah, whoa.
Windows are faster than the car.
Yeah. There it is. How do you know if it's the 200 or the 180? Original.
Looks like it.
Looks original. Right. Yeah.
It's got an old 2-barrel on it.
No 2-barrel.
Anything to do with a 4-barrel.
Oh,
It's
it
burning a
stays.
lot more fuel.
Yeah.
That radiator ain't original. No.
Radiator.
It's got the radiator.
Oh, they were in the middle of doing the seats on this one.
Now look at
Woo!
that.
Golly.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Dude, look at here.
It's got the original radiator.
Yeah.
Looks like a crate motor. It looks like a 602.
Dang, Johnny, look at this thing.
Uh-huh.
Headers and all.
Header.
Yeah. Yeah.
Patriot.
Shame it won't crank.
Stainless.
We put a charger on it.
And an air filter.
Yeah. Dang.
Dude. Yeah.
I like it.
Oh, to me.
Headers and all.
MSD? Dude!
Yeah.
We know how to work on these things.
Well,
There's parts I recognize.
There's parts. I think we were in the middle of redoing the upholstery on this one.
Look right up here. Is it in there?
That album.
Yeah, it's right there. There it is.
Oh, photo. Alright. Okay. Wait. Is that, are the tops off of it right there? Do the tops come off?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, they're T-tops.
That's a T-top.
Little T-top Corvette. Yeah. Okay, so whoever had this, they did some restoration work.
Let's see it. Let's see that.
Huh.
The OG.
We'll pull the T-tops off and cruise down to the beach. Look. I mean, I think the album got wet, but
Oh wow.
you can see where it,
Wonder where that picture's from.
I don't know.
A different set of tires ago, because those are good years.
I'm thinking this one got painted. Look at the front of them doors up there. You see some red on it?
Oh, right there.
Yeah. So this,
Yeah.
Look at, see, they got window cranks. These are different doors for some reason.
Oh.
I think.
Hey, look, Pappy's trucking. Old Mac back there.
There you can find out where it come from.
Yeah, you probably could.
So is there a trunk in here?
No.
No trunk.
Is it back there? You can get in from back there.
Oh, there's a little bit.
Gasolina right there,
Yeah.
ain't it?
Mhm.
It's under there, but that's where you put it in.
So no trunk and no back seat.
It's got a stereo system, got big speakers and all
Does
in
it?
there.
I'm a doggone.
And the battery
See my seat?
that seat, I gotta figure out. I couldn't get it to flip up, and
Well, it's
they
not-
ain't bolted
yeah.
it down in the back. But
That's
that's
what I'm-
all new. They put new, see like that. They
Yeah.
put new foam and covers on. it.
Right, right.
Carpet, that's new
What
carpet.
y'all reckon this does?
What?
Vent,
Huh?
pulls. It's a vent. That's
Oh, for that?
Well, get you some air in there. How's yours look on the inside?
Duct tape seat over there.
Oh yeah, you know.
Looks fine.
At least your seats are bolted down.
Yeah, they didn't move.
Oh, I like it. Unleaded fuel
In
only.
the middle, there's a. Now, you find it.
Corvette. Hey, you got an antenna? I don't.
Yeah, look at all that trunk space. You can put towels,
Car
short
seats.
You can put car seat.
A couple car seats in there.
Oh heck yeah.
Hey, back in the day, them kids just rode back there. Shut up.
Oh. All right, let's see if we can get this one jumped off here.
Try that.
Try that, he says.
Smash on it. Yeah, his sounds better than yours.
Line them up.
It's just cold natured.
Yeah.
Both lights on?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're both on.
Now they're off.
Now they're off.
It's a vacuum.
No,
Vacuum. Got a vacuum too.
that thing sounds sweet.
Might be the oldest car I ever rode in.
Really?
No, I rode in Joseph Grandpa's 57.
Okay.
You know what I mean.
Oh, there's Joey.
Oh,
It'll go.
it'll go. That's pretty good.
I just don't think it'll do a burnout.
I don't know, man.
I don't think it will. We hit third.
And everybody's like, what do you think of that Corvette? I'm like, I ain't been out of second gear yet.
Yeah.
I'm afraid to get on the highway.
Yeah.
They don't like you driving without a tag around here.
You get a court date. He wants you to try to do a burnout. I just don't think it will.
What do you think?
Think I'd get it in first gear. Whine, pop the clutch. See if you can, you know what I mean? See if you can.
It might
What is
bark
that?
them.
Get it good and rimmed up, dump the clutch.
Make sure we're in first.
All right.
Oh yeah. Hey, spun a little. This is a classic. We're supposed to. You're supposed to pawpaw it.
Oh, we'll just cruise around, go to the beach. Meanwhile, burn down! I can spin a tire right here. In the gravel.
Oh, that left a mark.
I smell rubber.
I smell
If
rubber.
nothing else.
Is that or clutch?
A little bit of both.
Oh yeah. All right, so maybe it's not a ripper. It's just a
It's
cruiser. A
rounder.
cruiser.
That's what it is. Cruise down, pull the T-tops off, and cruise down to the beach.
That's right.
That's what this thing is.
You driving?
You driving it?
Vroom vroom. Are they
Same
identical?
color. Her eyes in that car are the same exact color. Or are they not?
Yeah.
It's like one of those lizards or whatever that change colors. Yeah.
All right, we got them unloaded. We don't know what we're gonna do with them next. We gotta figure out where the heck to put them.
What does YouTube want us to like? What would YouTube prefer?
We got
I'm not
3
saying what
cars
we're gonna
here.
do. I'm just saying like we
Maybe-
don't really know what to do or how to what would be best. Obviously, we ain't got no time or money to really
Right,
put into these
invest a
things.
whole lot, but they'd be nice to have.
But like
Go to the beach.
Yeah, it would be great. That'd be
Pull
cool.
the T-tops off. That changes things now that I know these are T-top.
That would be freaking
Go
awesome.
cruise the beach.
On a hot summer day.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't know. I mean, what do we
What do we do with them?
what would you do if one of these landed in your lap?
That's landed in your lap. That's a good way to put it. There's our Corvettes. No Camaro's still over there too. Heck of an event. Pretty cool. Jesse, you jealous? You wish you'd gone there?
Well, if I went, might not have won them.
All you had to do was not wreck. That's basically what I did. I just give it to Joseph in one piece, let him take it from there. I think me and you, it didn't matter. We could have put Joshua in it.
Oh, easy.
Don't forget about the Cyber Monday sale. It is ending soon. Get over to the
There's
website.
some stuff that is $5
whole
I've
dollars.
seen even something as low as $2.50.
Get on
I'm
over
talking
there.
about something you like clothing for $5.
You can't get that anywhere.
No.
No.
And coffee.
Oh yeah, and coffee,
We
and
haven't
we got
told
coffee.
anybody about
Well, by the time they see this video, we'll have told everybody. Anyway, we
Okay,
got
that's
coffee.
great. Hey, we got coffee
We
now.
got coffee.
Hunt Front Coffee. Hey, locally brewed, right here
Roasted.
in Pensacola.
We've seen it.
roasted.
Roasted is the word.
Yeah,
Locally brewed. That's beer.
All right, check that out. htfmerch.com. No code needed. Everything's on sale, and it's ending soon. Get your Christmas shopping done early. Y'all let us know what you think we ought to do with all this right here. Thank y'all for watching the videos. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all later.